Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your MonoVM email account on Microsoft Outlook step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to monovm.com. Enter your username and password to log into your account. From the left-hand menu, click on Services. Choose the service where you want to configure your email. Then, click Go to Control Panel. Scroll down until you find the Email Account section. Click Create a new email. Now, choose your desired email address and set a secure password. Finally, click Create New Account. Once the account is created, click on Access Webmail. At the login page, enter the email address and password you just created. You'll have the option to add a recovery email later. After logging in, you'll land in your inbox. Click Get Started. Choose a display name, something memorable and professional. You can set up a custom signature later if you wish. At this step, click on Settings. From the right-hand menu, select Enable Titan for other apps. This will allow you to configure your email on Outlook or other email clients. Scroll down until you see the section Configure using IMAP. Here you'll find the incoming IMAP and outgoing SMTP server details that you'll need in Outlook. Now, open Microsoft Outlook. Go to the File menu and click Add Account. Enter your newly created email address and connect it. If prompted, select Change Account Settings. Enter the incoming IMAP and outgoing SMTP mail server addresses you copied earlier. Once you see the message, Account successfully added, you're all set. That's it. You've successfully configured your MonoVM email in Microsoft Outlook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.